Hi, my name is Marika Forgenet, and what I enjoyed about the workshop and the performances was how confident they were to show their true feelings, their energy and vibe. And what I loved about the workshop very much was the difficult moves, but at the same time, the fact that they hyped us up and not to give up. See.
Hi, my name is Keisha Jacobs, and I would say the thing that I enjoyed the most about the workshop is how comfortable all of the dancers were together, and how they expressed their feelings like very openly, and you could see it. And then about the workshop, I love the fact that they pushed us, or it made me realize that there were things that I couldn't do, but I pushed myself, and it pushed my body. So I enjoyed that a lot.
Hi, my name is Andre Cupero, and this workshop, the Chairs Arts Company, they definitely opened my eyes today. And the workshop, the performances, it definitely lit a spark in me and in most of my fellow dancers today. They definitely pushed us, but it was like in the best possible way. You know, we explored new limits, we tested our limits. It was just an awesome, awesome experience. Thank you.